My fellow technical writer, I found another platform for us. And this platform is a game changer for us. How to manage documentation for different products, check analysis all in one platform. And in fact, one thing I love about it is that you get to manage your entire project all in a platform. You don't have to go through the stress of you going to one SSD to check, to manage the project, then go to another SSD to manage another project. No, you can even assign tasks in this platform. And the platform is Document360. I know some of you have learned about this. I'm just learning about it. I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm happy. Super happy. In fact, let me show you what I found very interesting. Once you sign up like this, you come to your tasks. Tasks is that you can assign tasks to yourself. You can add tasks to yourself. You can check out the recent docs, articles, like track everything you've done. You can create. Now let's go. So once you see this, once you assign all the tags, you can just, first of all, this is the AI. So this AI chatbot is that you get to create an AI chatbot here and also copy the key on the embedded code and add it to your website, your React application, your Nest.js. You can do that. And you can customize the appearance based on what you want. You can change the icon. If your company has already have an icon, of course, you have to change it. You can change the background, change everything, the welcome message. And if you cannot do that, there's even a customize where you can just add your script, just do your H2 and then you create. This is good. You can add your JavaScript code to it. And secondly, when you move, proceed. So once you move, you can, this is a product documentation. Let's say article title. I can name it overview, and then I can rename this to whatever my product is. Let's say JavaScript SDK. This is an overview. You can type, and it comes with a lot of interesting components. Here you can see it multiple level. This is one thing I find really interesting. You know that if you want to write multiple level list, you have to write space. You must be very, very good with your mild and syntax to achieve this. But this one has already come with it. You see it here. And then you can just create it and set number values. You can leave where you want it to start from. So, and then you can just do that. And also, ID writers, that means you can tell it that you generate the next section of the article like an AI assistant, right? You can also see, if you come here now, you see a lot interactive demo, record video, screen capture. I think this one, once you're done, it will just add to your extension, divider, everything, call out. If you know call out, this is very good for passing an important message or warning. Here you can also, there are a lot of interesting things, glossaries. You know that when you are doing all these things, you have to create them manually yourself, but this is it. Very easy. And then once you are done, you just come back again and you can create as many so to create another page means article. So you can create a blank, and then what should we name it? We can say getting started. Can you see? Then I think you can also move this, change it and move. You can also create another article like blank. I can say overview. See, multiple pages. You can create as many as possible for yourself. And then there is another API for creating API documentation. And all you just have to do is, if you have the link, you have the JSON just put it and then you are good to go. And this API documentation is interactive. So here I've already published it. You read, show you example, and then this is the code where you can copy Python, JavaScript, C#, try it here, just try it, and then it will give you this response. And just try it and it will give you that response. And then also another thing, analysis. See, you have a full-fledged, understandable analysis for all your documentation. You see the article names I have, views, read. You get to see all this. You know that I don't think there are SSD that will give you this insight to understand. See here, we also have country. We have a lot of interesting things. In fact, this video is getting long, but just check it out. Just go to their documentation and read about Document360 and also sign up and start using it. In fact, tell your boss if you know you are this kind of and you don't want to go through that managing multiple platforms together, plug your boss and I bet it they will love it for you. Bye.